Welcome to Kalanggaman Island. Oh, Josephine talaga. I'm gonna show you Kalanggaman west side from Leyte.
Normal temperature.
Burnt sienna, don't care. The sand is pink. Good morning. It's 4:20 in the morning and naglalagay na kami sa sasakyan. Then we're going to the pier next.
Normal temperature.
Ito po yung Kalanggaman Island natin. Number 1 is lifeguard station. Dalawa pong lifeguard station natin dito.
Pero pwedeng lakarin from M to M.
Yes.
Loading up. Still dark, so you can't see anything. Ride sa bangka, pero it is beautiful. I'm gonna show you a drone shot in 3, 2, 1. Nakarating din kami. It was a wavy ride and it was so windy. Maybe because it's December. So, ang recommended time or month na pumunta dito is in summertime. We just took a risk and pumunta dito this December. So, let's do a sand check. This is the dry part. It's not as fine as Boracay, pero it's perfect na rin. Let me show you. So, it's not as fine, pero puti siya. And then, after this one, is meron ditong mga dry corals. And then, the wet sand na. And we think na dito umaabot yung water pag high tide. That's the sandbar, and the other end is over there. We're gonna walk the whole island later. So here's the sand check. Super cleanish siya. Not as fine as Boracay, I think. Here, it is so soft and so creamy and so smooth. Not like dun sa shore doon. That one is much sandier. This one is much smoother. See, that other side is so wavy and the other side is so calm. Sabi nila bawal daw mag-swimming over here because of the waves. And we're trying to reach the tip of the sandbar. The meeting point of two waves. Pero doon hindi. So, nandun yung sandbar na malaki. And we're trying to walk the whole island, around the whole island. And medyo rocky here. Pero the other end is may konting sandbar din. And we are trying to reach that. This is the Jetter Resort. Kung open yung overnight nila, dito ka pwede mag-avail ng cottage where you can sleep. This is what it looks like inside. Simple TP house. And then you have a common bathroom over there. And a common place to hang out and to chill. Oh, there's a resto. West Side Kalanggaman Resto. So this is the west side. Found the tree house. Touchdown, Kalanggaman, west side, Palampon, Leyte. So, andito na kami sa other end of the island, west side, I think. And super rocky, like, ouch, sa feet talaga. I'm gonna show you what the beach looks like. See? There's my dad. And I left my slippers over there, so I have to track this. Ouch! This corals. I'm already burnt. Here's what you need to know before you go to Kalanggaman Island. It's better to come here in summer because mas smooth yung water. Hindi siya ganun ka-windy and hindi kayo mas mahihilo sa boat coming here. And then you have to bring your own food, your own water. And for now, hindi sila nag-aalaw ng overnight. Ang inaalaw lang nila is day tour. So, ang recommend nila is to come here early in the morning because mas smooth yung water. Although, ngayong December, rough pa rin yung waves. And then, the earliest na pwede kang umalis dito sa island is around 2 p.m. because by that time, mag-start na maging rough yung water. And I think this island is 6 hectares or acres. I'm gonna look at the sign later. The west side is medyo corally and medyo rocky yung beach because of the dead corals. The other end, which is much smoother and mas bigger yung sandbar, is mas maganda siya for swimming. And then ito yung kabilang side, rocky din siya. We don't see any people swimming. Marami siyang seaweed actually. So we're just walking the whole stretch and paikot na kami. Ano pa bang kailangan nyo malaman? For this month, December 2021, ang inaalaw lang nila is 5 groups. So 5 groups, 3,000 ang rate ng bangka. Pag 6th group ka na, 3,500 ka na. 3,500 per boat na ang rate nila. Hindi ko alam kung anong exact number ang inaalaw nila. I think it's 250 packs per day. I'm not sure. Pero ngayon daw, 6 groups lang kami. Ang first 5, 3,000 lang. And then 6 and onwards is 3,500 na yung bangka. And when you come here, ang rate entrance fee is 150 for senior citizens. Since meron akong kasamang senior citizens, 120 lang yung kanilang rate entrance fee for the island. And then pagdating mo dito, you can rent a cottage. Bahay kubo costs around 500 pesos. Pero kung nasa budget ka naman, pwede ka lang mag-rent ng tables and chairs. Tables are 50 pesos and then chairs are 30 pesos. So we're on the beach, guys. Nagsiswimming na kami. And I want to show you something. Kinuha ko yung phone to show this to you guys. Because the sand is pink. I hope you can see it. Wait lang. See? It is pink. Swear. So yan yung mga kubo na pwede nyong i-rent. This is ours. We rented it for until 2 p.m. And oh, yung sand is medyo pinkish din talaga. Pero, tignan nyo. See? Wait lang, punta nga tayo sa shore. Pinkish talaga yung ano. So, I don't know why. Meron siyang mga parang pink-pink. Wait, punta tayo dun ulit. Meron siyang something na pink na malalaki. Which is, I don't know what this is. So, ito yung tsura ng beach in front of the cottages. Super clear no water. Yan sina mama and my dad. Nag-swimming kami sa likod ng boat and then papunta dito. Kami lang yung nagsiswimming. I don't know why. So, my dad thinks this is the reason why yung sand is pinkish. You can see it's a dead coral and red siya. So, I think meron dito. I can show you a little bit. So, ayan, yan. Ito yung sand. And merong bits and pieces of pink things. Thingy, I don't know what it is. And my dad thinks that ito daw yun. So maybe, yeah. Pero really, pinkish talaga yung sand. I don't know if the camera is giving justice to the color. And there you go. Burnt sienna, don't care. We are leaving now. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. So early kami na 30 minutes. We had so much fun. Like, it's so beautiful. One of the things that Filipinos should see before even discovering other countries. So yeah, I'm an island cooties girl now. Bye! That's it for my Kalanggaman vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Our boat ride back to Palampon was much smoother, though it was raining by the time we reached the pier sa Palampon. And then we washed up a little bit dun sa bathroom ng tourism office, and then off we go to our next destination, which will be my next travel vlog. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and of course hit that bell button so that you will be notified once I posted that travel vlog. Kalanggaman is truly a beauty, and no wonder it is named as the crown jewel of Leyte. If you are a Filipino, make sure you visit this once in your life, because it will be a shame to say that you're a Filipino and you haven't seen this island. It is really beautiful, and exquisite, really. Just make sure wag niyong dagsain yung Kalanggaman because right now, sabi ng tourism office, 4 boats lang daw ang gumagana. 8 yan. 4 boats lang ang gumagana daw currently because pinaprocess pa daw yung license ng ibang boats. So, dinadahan-dahan din nila ang tourism nila para hindi daw mabigla yung kanilang transpo from Palompon to Kalanggaman. So, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed filming it and going there. Keep safe and I hope I'll see you again in my next travel vlog. Bye!